So Dave here is taking the family up to the lake for the weekend, but without the white knuckles this time. Because his new 2018 Ford F-150 has Bliss with trailer coverage. It's Brainiac smart. Not only does it watch your F-150's blind spots, it's got your trailer covered too. One less thing to spoil the weekend. No, it can't make the fish bite, but maybe they'll work on that. This is the new 2018 Ford F-150. It doesn't just raise the bar, pal. It is the bar.
The world's first 6-function multi-pro tailgate, available only on the next generation GMC Sierra.
Introducing the all-new Chevy Silverado. It's the official truck of calloused hands and elbow grease,
Good practice, yo. Good practice. You feel good? Good.
of rolling up your sleeves and never backing down. The official truck of getting to work and getting to work. The official truck of dog days, late nights, and date nights, of measure twice and on 3. It's the official truck of homecoming and coming home. The all-new Chevy Silverado, the strongest, most advanced Silverado ever. It's the official truck of real people.